In this video, I will show you how to sum numbers by week in Excel like this. So let's get started. I have some transactions with dates and amounts in this Excel sheet. Now I want to calculate the total amount by week. For example, for the week starting with Monday 9th September, I want to sum these two amounts, and for the week starting with Monday 16th September, I want to get the sum of these three amounts. We can use the Excel SUMIFS function to sum numbers by week. The SUMIFS function returns the sum of the values in a range that meets multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria using this function. To get the week-wise sum, I will find transactions having dates greater than or equal to the first day of the week and less than the first day of the next week. I already have the first day of each week in this column. Since dates are stored as serial numbers in Excel, we can directly add days to a date using the plus sign. For example, we can add one day to the date 2nd September 2024 using the plus sign to get the date 3rd September like this. I will add 7 days to week start date to get the first day of the next week. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type SUMIFS followed by an opening bracket. Since we want to sum the amount cells for the week, I will select the range of the cells containing the amount as the first argument. Let's select the range of the cells containing dates as the first criteria range. Type a comma and then type the greater than or equal to sign in the double quotes. Type the ampersand sign and then append the date of the first day of the week. Type a comma and then select the range of the cells containing dates as the second criteria range. Type a comma and then type the less than sign in the double quotes. Type the ampersand sign and then append the date of the first day of the week plus 7 like this. Type the closing bracket of the SUMIFS function. Overall, this formula means sum all the amount cells where the transaction date is greater than or equal to the first day of the specified week and less than the first day of the next week. Basically, it will sum all the amount cells having dates between the current and next week. I will make the amount and date range references absolute using the dollar signs like this so that they do not change when I copy the formula to other cells. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the sum of amount by week. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.